Hey and welcome to this new video in this tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to clone this website from repository to our local machine, but now we will rename the project. Here's project, its name, its website. Now we will rename it to something else. So first of all, let's clone it, git clone, and we will copy that URL. So let's copy it. I have already copied it, so I will just paste. Oh no, sorry for that. Let's git clone. Now let's just copy that website, copy that URL, copy, go, and then paste it in here. Now if we hit enter, it will clone, but in same name website. If we want to rename it to something else, we need to specify it and to write it just here. So let's name it, for example, my website. Let's hit enter, and we see that it's cloned successfully. So now let's ls, and here it is. It was cloned from our remote repository in GitHub to our local repository in our machine. And also, if we check what there is in this folder, we will find the same thing as in here: license and readme.mg and git ignore. So let's go to that new repository, ls. We see the same folder as there is in our remote repository, to readme and license and .git ignore. Now let's add a website to our folder, and to do that we will use the website initialize.com, and it tells us that start an HTML file project in 15 seconds. So now we choose, even with the classic HTML, that means just HTML5 and CSS3, or responsive, or with Bootstrap. For me, I will choose the Bootstrap, and after that I will click on download it. After that it will download on a zip file. We need to unzip it and then to copy what there is in our folder, and we will see how to do that. So it's me let me unzip it, and after that it will be. And now after that I unzip it, let's copy all of that to our repository or to our website that we just cloned. Here, not that. So let's go to C, tutor, and here is my website, and let's copy it in here. After we copy, we paste it in the folder. That's now we are back to the working area. So we need to add it to the staging area, then to commit it to the local repository. So now if I write git status, it will tell us that it has been some updated. Yeah, it tells us that all those files are not tracked. That means are still in the working area and not being added to the staging area. So now let's add them to the staging area with command git add and dot. Let's hit enter. It will tell us that all the files have been going to the staging area. Now let's commit them with git commit -m, and let's say that add a new website. Let's hit enter, and it will be committed. So now after I add them to the staging area, and after I commit them or I validate them to the local repository, now let's push them to our server, or let's move our website to the repository in GitHub. So to do that, with command git push origin master, let's hit enter, and it will be pushed to our repository master or to the website that we created in the GitHub repository. After we click on git push origin master, Git will tell us to write or to authentify ourselves. So let's just enter our email or name and password. I will do that and be back to you soon. And after I connect myself to the Git, or after I type my email and password, the command will continue and it will work. Now let's just refresh our repository in GitHub, and we will see that our project is pushed to the remote repository in GitHub. Sorry, I have slow connection. Yeah, as we see, all the things that we added now, they are in the repository. It is like CSS folder, font, JS, HTML, and everything. So this will be all for this video. See you soon.